Hello friends, welcome to Expert SK Education Point. आपका अपना चैनल. So today in this video, I will tell you about some important points to crack the interview. That guys, in any time you have faced the interview, but you don't know how to crack, how to excel in interview. So today by this video I will tell you some important and beneficial tips to crack the interview. So today in this video I want to introduce Mr. Satyendra, and he will tell you that how to face the interview, how to get in the office, and how to say everything. It will be explained in this video. So please keep watching. Yes, Mr. Satyendra. Yes sir.
Yes. First of all, thank you sir to call us here because there are so many students, they have lot of problems to face the interview, but in this video I will tell him the very easy method how they can face the interview, and also they crack in first attempt, because there are a lot of students they are never preparing his interview and they will go to face the interview.
Achha, this is the thing, this is very nice point that nobody told me that how to go. I have never ever learned from any colleges, anyway, no one taught me that how to crack the interview. Yes.
This is the basic thing, that's why nobody will tell in colleges, in your home as well, but they will only formally they will tell you what's your father name, what's your mother name, and basic knowledge about your family members, but nobody will tell you professionally when you will go for anywhere outside country or in India or any other state also in India. Then you have to face a lot of problems. How can we introduce yourself in front of the interviewer? So this is the basic thing. If you will go to face or to crack the interview, then first of all you have to prepare yourself. After that you will have to go to the interviewer room. It is easy way, and suppose that you are preparing for your interview like very basic interviews or professional interview, the things is same. What you have to prepare that interview very well, then you have to go. This is the fact.
Then sir, could you please tell your audience that how to crack?
Yes, why not? First of all, if you are very, that means sensible.
Achha, just tell me that that person who is going to face the interview,
Yes.
can he put the informal clothes or not?
Yes, basically he.
Because I think that first impression should be last impression.
Yes,
that
it is called that first impression
work.
is the last impression. That's why there is no that if you are interviewer, then you can wear like this. But
Okay.
if you want to go for interview, then you have to wear formal dress like as official pant, shirt, and like this.
like this.
So you have to prepare yourself in a very formally way, okay, so that the interviewer think he is very genius guy or he is very intelligent also.
So what about girls?
Yes, girls also,
What sort of clothes they should prepare? They should wear.
they also wear very formally dressed like kurti and salwar. They never wear like shorts if they will face interview or they are going to prepare her to the interview. Then also she has prepared a basic dress, that means they beard.
Wear.
Yes.
Okay. Anything else?
Yes, why not? If you are going to take any action about interview, then first of all inside the interviewer room, first you have to tell your name. That means tell your name. What's your name? About your name only, not your family members. Okay. And second one hai, you have to prepare. You have to tell about your address, from where you are belonging. Okay. Yes. And third one is this is very basic thing, and also if you want to say something about your family member, then you also tell something about your family, like only father name.
It should be in short.
Yes, in short,
About
not
your
very
family.
long. That means if you will tell, if you will be there, then you have to say everything is in very short. It's very short way, because interviewer want to know about yourself, not your family members.
Yeah, this is the thing.
Yes.
Actually, so many students, they comes for facing the interview, but when I ask that question, that tell me something about yourself, then they ask only their name, but they start to tell about their family.
Yes.
So it shouldn't be done.
Yes, it shouldn't be done. It is not compulsory in interview. And after that also you have to tell something about your qualification, what kind of
Yes.
qualification you have. Are you graduate, or that means are you have, that means you have any diploma, about this also. If you have any diploma, then also you will tell about this
About
or
your-
that. Okay. And one more thing is this, if you are genius in any activity, then also tell about the activities, what kind of hobbies you have,
Hobbies, interests.
and in which field you have interest,
Yes.
so that interviewer can understand all the feelings, all the things about you.
And the work experience also.
Yes, work experience, if you
That
have
if
done
you
any
have.
kinds of work in any company, then also you have to share
Yes.
your experience. Except it, this is very important for the, that means interviewer, to know all the detail about you. Okay. And also you have to say something about your weakness, about your that means
Can
strength.
can a person tell about their weakness?
No,
But
but
I think that weakness is should tell, but it should be in positive way.
yes, in positive
Like
way,
that
not
I
in
have-
yes negative way. Because if you will say anything about in negative way, then interviewer will that means leave you. Just go from here. I will call you.
I'll call
that
you,
means,
yes.
if interviewer will say to you or tell you that you will go and I will call you,
I will
it
call you.
means
And
you are
never
not
ever called.
Yes, he or she will never ever call.
Never ever call.
Yes, because he or she can understand that you are a very big
Yes.
person and you can't work here.
So many that.
Yeah,
so-
because firstly you have to excuse, so many excuse you have already. That's why they will not.
Achha, one more thing that in many interviews I have seen that so many candidates, they have started to tell about their family problem. That sir, please give me the job. I have family problem. So that it does work or not?
No. If you are going to interview, then first thing is this: your face should not worry. That means your
Yes.
face should be very that means smiley and very charming, so that the interviewer think that he is very genius. There is no that means worriness about his face. He will think that he is very genius guy, and also he has, there is no problem.
Yes.
If you will go with any problem in front of him, that means some interviewer also very intelligent, they can understand your face reading and they can feel your face reading. They will at once remove you or they will leave you. So that, yes.
Yes, sir. One more thing, that if someone going to face the interview, but I have seen many times that they leave the chair where they sit. So it should be done or not? Because actually in this video we are providing some tips about interview. Then this is the point, some points which is being described before you all. So like आपने देखा होगा कभी भी क्या हम करते हैं, जो इंटरव्यू जाते हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, चेयर को पीछे करते हैं, बैठ जाते हैं. जब इंटरव्यू कंप्लीट होता है हम चेयर को वहीं छोड़ के निकल लेते हैं. क्या ऐसा होना चाहिए कि नहीं होना चाहिए? क्या ये आपका पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड शो करता है और नेगेटिव? क्या ये पर्सनैलिटी के अकॉर्डिंग आता है कि नहीं आता है?
No. If you are going to interview, then everything should be there. सारा कुछ वहीं होना चाहिए जहाँ रखा हुआ है. अगर आप किसी भी चेयर को या किसी भी वस्तु को इधर से उधर करते हैं तो इट इज नेगेटिव वे.
नेगेटिव वे.
ओके. बिकॉज द इंटरव्यूअर वॉन्ट टू जज यू, वो आपको जज करना चाहता है, दैट्स वाई ही डिड समथिंग डिफरेंट, वो कुछ ऐसा कर दे जिससे कि आपको ये समझ में आए कि मैं इसको इधर रख दूं या इसको इधर रख दूं। अगर आप किसी भी प्रकार का कोई चेंजमेंट करते हैं तो आफ्टर ज्वाइनिंग यू कैन डू दिस।
तो फ्रेंड्स, ये कुछ टॉप टिप्स थे। अगर आप कहीं इंटरव्यू देने जाते हो तो आप इन चीज़ों का आप हमेशा ध्यान रखना, इससे आप अपना एक पॉजिटिव इफेक्ट डालते हो जो भी इंटरव्यू आपका लेता है। तो फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको इसके बारे में ब्रीफ नॉलेज चाहिए तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि अगले वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं कि इंटरव्यू में आप लाइव आपको दिखाएंगे कि इंटरव्यू में आप कैसे आप एंटर करो, कैसे आप फेस करो और वहाँ पर आपको क्या क्या बोलना है। तो प्लीज़ गाइस, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए अगर आपको कुछ नया मिला हो, पसंद आया हो। ओके गाइस, थैंक यू। यस सर, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
मैं क्या कहूँ सर, सभी जो भी हमारे ऑडियंस हैं वो समझ चुके होंगे कि मैं जो है इस चैनल को खोला हुआ है, मैंने वो केवल इसी पर्पज़ के लिए खोला हुआ है, चाहे वो आपका विलेजर्स हो चाहे सिटी पर्सन हो, सभी लोगों के लिए एक संदेश है, एक मैसेज है कि वो अपने आप को बहुत अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करें। अगर किसी भी प्रकार की कोई टिप्स चाहिए तो आप जो है हमारे डिस्प्ले पे जो कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर आ रहा है उस पर आप डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं। हमसे किसी भी प्रकार का कोई सजेशन लेना हो तो वो सजेशन ले सकते हैं। और मैं यही चाहूँगा ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा हमारा जो है देश है ना, और हमारी जो कंट्री है वो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने आप में डेवलप करे, लिटरेट हो। ठीक है, हमने देखा हुआ है कि हमारे यहाँ चाहे वो यूपी हो, बिहार हो, मतलब कितने भी स्टेट हों, केवल वो अपने आप को सीमित नॉलेज तक रखना पसंद करते हैं। और मेरा ये मानना है कि अगर आप अपने आप को सीमित रखेंगे तो आप सीमित ही रह जाएंगे। मतलब हर फील्ड में आपको नॉलेज रखना बहुत ज़रूरी है। रादर इट विल बी इंग्लिश, साइंस, कॉमर्स, हिंदी, एनी पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट, चाहे आपका सब्जेक्ट से रिलेटेड हो चाहे सोसाइटी से रिलेटेड हो, एवरी टाइप ऑफ नॉलेज यू हैव, सारा नॉलेज आपको रखना चाहिए, यू शुड हैव।
अच्छा गाइस, सर अगर हमारे व्यूवर्स को कुछ पूछना हो, कुछ उसको क्वेरी लेना हो तो कैसे आपसे कांटेक्ट कर सकता है?
जो डिस्प्ले पे नंबर आ रहा है उस पर आपको डायरेक्टली कॉल कर सकते हैं हमें, और जो भी उनका सजेशन है वो हमसे ले सकते हैं। हम पूरी तरह से उनका सहयोग करेंगे, हर संभव कोशिश करेंगे कि उनको किसी प्रकार की कोई प्रॉब्लम का सामना ना करना पड़े।
यस, सो फ्रेंड्स, अभी आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा। अगर फ्रेंड्स आप अगर कहीं इंटरव्यू देने जा रहे हो तो उससे पहले आपको कोई टिप्स चाहिए हो तो आप इस वीडियो को देखिए, हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि हम आपके लिए ऐसी क्वालिटी एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड वीडियो बना के आपके लिए लाते रहते हैं।
थैंक यू सो मच।